I'm so glad to be here again. Last time I was sharing with my colleagues who graduated 2 weeks ago. So it's my privilege to stand here as I'm celebrating myself and my colleagues who been struggled for almost 1 month. And thanks goes to myself, those who guide our students, colleagues to make it successful today. Seriously speaking, when I came to SIT, I take it as a place where I can just come and develop my skills, where I can just come and know the basics of electrical system design. But when I just came here and I get Albino, they give me the confidence that I'm not coming here just only to know the knowledge of electrical system design. They give me the confidence. When I come back, I realize myself that will be the super highway for me to gain the confidence of being engineer and design engineer in fact. So he gives us a lot of ways how to cope up with the electrical system design, because for someone, when you just hear the name of design is something bigger, but he make it to be easier because he gives us a lot of ways, like a database. About the lecture, he gives us day by day. You have to collect the data, make them arrange in your computer, pass over all these things, conversation in the class, interaction with the colleagues, grouping, all these things easier, the way of how to gain the knowledge of the electrical system design. So thanks goes to him. And I can say that it's opened my eye to a lot of aspects of engineering, because I was hesitant when I hear a lot of trainings. I say, this will be a long way for me to go. But being with Albino, I would say that this is my challenge and I accept it. So thank you so much for being my guidelines, and then I will not forget the moment we spent together with my colleagues. And then being with the Indian guy really was something great. I attend a lot of trainings, other places. So I just get it as a place so you can go there and entertain yourself and so forth. But this center will give you something like the colleague who is there, you have to depend on him, he has to depend on you. So that can create the relationship among the students. And that's what happened actually between us in our batch. So the first day, I was thinking that would be difficult for me to know the names of my colleagues, because it's very long structure of names. But I can manage to call them now, one by one.
So can you call now?
Why?
Yeah, check.
Gotham, Lavenda, so many, all of these guys are not important. Even Arbas. Arbas is not one of my colleagues. These things is created by the center, because the center has a policy of bringing a student to be one. So through assignment, through hard job, through focusing, because being in the class for almost 6 hours, you cannot catch up everything. So you have to cooperate with your colleagues. So this is a very good spirit, and I really appreciate it so much. And I will remember the days I spent here. So thanks goes to each and everyone who is here. And my message to my colleagues, those who get chance of attending this training and other training they may attend, really it's a very golden chance for you to be in this center. So it will be the opportunity for you to get a lot of things like a job, like a confidence, like being an engineer. Being an engineer is not a certificate from university.
Correct.
So you are lucky, guys. Why I say you are lucky? Because you have a family who are supporting you to come here. Other people, they don't have that support. They have an ego of getting knowledge and getting a lot of things, but they don't have chance. So let us invest these chances, as long as we have some people who are supporting us to get the knowledge through other ways and this way. So keep motivating yourself by investing every single time you get to get the knowledge. So you can motivate your family, you can motivate those who send you for training, and also you can raise the moral of the training. That's the giving effort to those who are coming to the center. So thank you so much, and I love you all. I love you more.